hip hinging. We're gonna go through a couple of different progressions. First progression is just standing right here, sliding our hands down our pants and pushing our butt back. So just like this, back up. From the side, butt back, coming forward. Way to make that easier is you go and you find a wall, stand a little bit in front of it, push the hips back and slide down, and that way you have that tactile feedback from the wall behind you to make sure that you're touching. And then a progression of that is using a PVC pipe. You're gonna be on your butt, your low back, the back of your head, just like this. Pushing our hips back, chest forward, coming back up.